welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus Michelle, and in today's video, y'all, we are going to be doing something so different. As y'all can see, I'm showing y'all my acrylic powders that I'm going to be using in today's video. Y'all, it's like 2 in the morning, and I decided, you know what, let me just go ahead and just explore my talents. So that's what I end up doing, y'all. This is something so different. I'm really creative when it comes down to these nail stuff. I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and do each nail a different color. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys all my powders. Y'all, these powders are Glitz and Glam products, which I really love. As y'all already know by my previous video, I let y'all know the honest truth, how I felt about them. So let's go ahead, let's get to this video. Hope you guys enjoy. am trying to figure out how I'm going to do my nails. Yeah, I got this cute package from Vuitton. I'm going to make sure I leave her Instagram in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check her out for all your nail decor. Y'all, she ended up sending me this party pack which came with 2 fur balls, and they are really cute. They are very furry, and then it also comes with these little gummy bears. Y'all, I really did not know what to put on this clear nail. I was like, dang, let me try to figure something out because I could not find my diamonds at the moment. So right here, I'm just basically trying to figure out what color is going to go cute with the nail, and I end up choosing red because red kind of stuck out to me more. So I'm like, yeah, we're gonna do the red. We're gonna most definitely do the red because the red is cute. Y'all, now I don't know, in this part right here, I don't know what the hell I was doing. I know damn well I was not gonna put no gummy bears on all the fingers. I don't even know why I'm doing that. I probably was just being extra as hell. So this is the finishing product, y'all. This actually came out cuter than I thought. I like them. What y'all think? Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this video. But y'all, this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys like, comment if you guys are new to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, loves.